everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 35 out of 365 days for improving English. So how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your English journey is also going very well. So today I'll discuss how you can improve your English by manifestation technique. And before it, I want to give you some topic. As usual, I am giving one topic and you have to speak upon it for 3 to 5 minutes and make a video, or you can speak in front of mirror. And if you want to speak in front of camera, you can send me your video on my Telegram channel, and in that Telegram channel I'll send some of the informative things daily, so you can join also. So the today's topic is environment, and you have to talk about environment. You don't need to prepare any of the content. You have to speak everything you know. So it is totally based upon your creativity, how you can mold your answers, how you can work your creativity on upon it. So this is our today's environmental topic, and you have to prepare on this topic. So I think this is going to very easy topic because environment is around us, and we know many things about environment. And I'm not saying that you have to make content on this specific thing. You have to freedom of to cover every aspect of environment, but you have to speak, because whenever we are going to speak on any topic, or we are going to practice English, then after we are prepared, then after we are make perfection in English. So this is how I am always giving topic, and I think this will improve your English. So let's come on our topic. So how we can improve English by manifestation techniques. You know what is manifestation technique? So whenever we want anything, we are not demand from any person anything, but from universe. Whenever we are demanding something, anything, we can say that from universe, this is manifestation, and this is work with many people. And I am saying that, experiencing the same, that manifestation is working with me also. So I am like a worth person to say that this is how work with me, and I'll share some of the things that will be working with you. That I'm not a very perfect girl in English, and my family members my parents are said that you are studying in English medium and you don't speak English. And what happened? You know English, you can write English, you can understand English, you can read English, but what's happened when you are speaking English? You have fear. I'm said that I didn't have enough practice. And my father always said that Sneha, you have to speak English, you have to speak English. But what I am doing, I'm not practicing, and I'm said them always that I know English, but it's when the time will come I'll speak. But it is not happened the same. Whenever the time is come, our mind is get stuck and mind are totally blank. So to avoid this situation, we have to always practicing on the topic which we are very weak upon it. So manifestation power is a very simplest power. You can achieve everything easily. But we can say that we have to always doing practice and doing our hard work. But along with hard work and we can say the toil, we can do manifestation to put easy and fast result, because there are two types of power, like physical and like spiritual power. And physically, like we're toiling, we're practicing, and we are doing hard works to improving English. But whenever there is spiritual power, we take with us, the powerful result will seen. So how we can apply manifestation techniques in our daily routine, and particularly in English. So whenever you are going to speak English, first of all, what you have to keep in your mind, first thought for before 2 to 3 seconds when you are speaking English, you have to keep in mind surely that I can speak better than 99% of the people, and this will work very great with you. And this shifting of mindset will give you a huge and immense result towards your improvement journey. And this is also working with me. I'm saying that I'm not a good and perfect speaker, and I'm only change my mindset towards not speaking English, not disciplined in practicing, but towards like I'm speak better than 99% people, and I don't think a 1% negative thing that I'm not speaking English. What if I stuck in between? So this is how you firstly 2 to 3 seconds is so important and so necessary for you to stay calm and stay positive. And this is how before we are speaking English, and whenever we are always doing anything, you have to always remember the thing that I am always good in English, I am better than 99% people, and I can great speaker, and I will be speaking a very very fluent English in front of anyone. You have to think again and again, because mind is not so intelligent that questioning us, that when whatever we are give signals to that mind, it is believed on our sayings. This is how our mind works. And the best technique, what's the best technique out of this? You stayed in the last, and what's the main benefit you are staying in the last? So there is also a great techniques. The technique is that you have to think before sleeping and after sleeping. Like in morning, you have to think. Morning, you wake up, and after 10 to 15 to 20 15, we can say that 10 to 15 minutes, you always think that I know English, and I am better speaker and fluent speaker, I am confident in English, and no one will beat me, and I am unbeatable in English. You have to give positive affirmation daily to your mind, and that's how your mind is believing your thoughts. And in night, before sleeping, you have to thoughts again, and like this all thoughts: I'm unbeatable English, I'm confident, I am a leaderful person, and I'm a great person. So you have to speak like this to your mind, because this is how you nurturing your mind and make a better person by itself, by yourself only. So this is how our manifest technique is working with us, and I manifest this and improve my English also, and this will surely working with you. And this is how manifestation, and I think that I have to discuss this with you, so I did this. And lastly, I want to say that you have to at least make 3 to 4 minute video on environment topic, and you can send this video to me, and you can also feature in my upcoming videos if you want. So this is how you can improve English day by day, not in a single day. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and have a nice day. Stay tuned with your growth and development.